Personal development is a lifelong process. It is a way for people to assess their skills and qualities, consider their aims in life and set goals in order to maximize their potential. Enjoy listening.
Chapter 3. At 12:30, as Cappy was hurrying up California Street to luncheon at the commercial club, he met Bill Peck limping down the sidewalk. The ex-soldier stopped and handed him a card. "What do you think of that, sir?" he queried. "Isn't it a neat business card?" Cappy read, Ricks Lumber and Logging Company, Lumber and its Products, 248 California Street, San Francisco. Represented by William E. Peck. If you can drive nails in it, we have it. Cappy Ricks ran a speculative finger over Comrade Peck's business card. It was engraved, and copper plates or steel dies are not made in half an hour. "By the 12 ragged apostles!" This was Cappy's most terrible oath, and he never employed it unless rocked to his very foundations. "Bill, when did you first make up your mind to go to work for us?" "A week ago," Comrade Peck replied blandly. "And what was your grade when Kaiser Bill went AWOL?" "I was a buck." "I don't believe you. Didn't anybody ever offer you something better?" "Frequently. However, if I had accepted, then I would have had to resign the nicest job I ever had. There wasn't much money in it, but it was filled with excitement and interesting experiments. I used to disguise myself as a Christmas tree or a boxcar and pick off German sharpshooters. I was often tempted to quit, but whenever I'd reflect on the number of American lives I was saving daily, a commission was just a scrap of paper to me. If you'd ever started in any other branch of the service, you'd have run John J. Pershing down to Lance Corporal. Bill, listen. Have you ever had any experience selling skunk spruce?" Comrade Peck was plainly puzzled. He shook his head. "What sort of stock is it?" he asked. "Humboldt County, California spruce, and it's coarse and stringy and wet and heavy and smells just like a skunk directly after using. I'm afraid Skinner's going to start you at the bottom, and skunk spruce is it." "Can you drive nails in it, Mr. Ricks?" "Oh, yes." "Does anybody ever buy skunk spruce, sir?" "Oh, occasionally. One of our bright young men digs up a half-wit who's willing to try anything once. Otherwise, of course, we would not continue to manufacture it. Fortunately, Bill, we have very little of it, but whenever our woods boss runs across a good tree, he hasn't the heart to leave it standing, and as a result, we always have enough skunk spruce on hand to keep our salesmen humble." "I can sell anything at a price," Comrade Peck replied unconcernedly, and continued on his way back to the office.